Hey guys, welcome to About Town. We're gonna go on a commute, Windsor, Ontario. Sit back, enjoy the view. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, sorry. Beautiful day out today. Sun shining, hot. And a good day to drive. Right here, we'll be making a left on Walker Road. Which way is south going this way?
No, that's north. This is south.
Alright, guess we're going north on Walker Road. Towards the river.
Detroit's north of Windsor.
Okay, there's some schooling for you. Detroit is north of Windsor. Also only 20 minutes away. We are a border city with Detroit, Michigan. Actually, I'll get down to the river and I'll do some videos for you guys, showing you this skyscraper and skyline and GM building and just the lights and the casinos downtown. Pretty nice when it's lit up at night. But right now we're just gonna stop at a green light. Okay, they decided to go. We'll go drive through the old neighborhood. On all.
Well, the kids next door didn't forget you.
No.
The minute you got out of the car, they started hollering, "Hi, hi."
Yeah, we had to stop at my sister's house and her next door neighbors, the little kids. They always want to say hi, how you doing? Every time. Doesn't matter if I just seen them 5 minutes ago, they still say hi. They're funny. Good kids though. bright or dark.
Yeah.
It can get pretty busy down this way during the afternoon.
Well, this is nothing. Wait till 3 o'clock.
Yeah, right in around 3, 4 o'clock. Chrysler's is getting out and Walker gets pretty busy. Gotta pay attention, that's for sure. So we are in the east side of Windsor on Walker Road. Truck.
They're so ugly.
I actually did a video the other day on a Cybertruck off-roading.
They're ugly. Oh my God, they look like something George Jetson would drive.
Guys, if you're watching this video, go back and check out the Cybertruck video. It's pretty cool. He's off-roading, rock climbing. I don't know if Elon Musk had that in the plans, but I actually think there is a off-roading option on those cars. So he probably did have that in his mind. We are now on Tecumseh Road going west. Bring you through a little drive through the old neighborhood. How was the fireworks show for you guys? Did you have a big display in your city, town, state, wherever you are? We had a pretty big display here. It was nice. So right here at this light, we're gonna make a right. The old stomping grounds. outside for everybody. West towards the downtown area. Okay guys, the commute's gonna come to an end soon here. We're almost back to where we need to be. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Chime in anytime at About Town on YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What do you think of the Tesla right out of us? Not too shabby.
Wish I had the money he paid for that.
Yeah, okay. Another Elon Musk. Okay guys, thanks for viewing the video. Like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments at the bottom, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.